GitHub issue comments event triggers a Slack message. Let's go to cloud.venus.ai. Let's sign in. I will use GitHub. Let me put my credential. Authorize Vanus to get my profile information. Use Vanus Cloud to trigger a message to Slack when someone leaves a comment. Click Sign In. Install and authorize. Close the page. Select your GitHub repository. Click Next. Open another tab, go to api/slack.com. Sign in and click your app. Create a new app. From scratch, I will name it Vanus Notification. Now select your workspace and click Create App. Go to Incoming Webhook. Turn on. Click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Select the channel you want to send message to. Copy the URL and paste it in Cloud Venus. Press Next. Let's name it and press Submit. Let's wait until it's running. Finally, we can verify the result. Let's write a comment.